What are the steps of mattress steam cleaning? Looking forward to having your mattress steam cleaned? Hire the best mattress steam cleaning professionals in Melbourne. They will follow certain definite steps to ensure excellence. 1. Vacuuming. 2. Steaming the top. 3. Steaming the sides. 4. Drying. 5. Making the bed. Our professionals at Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne, offering mattress steam cleaning services in Melbourne, follow these steps. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us https://bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com/.